How to add social share buttons on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up the sharing buttons into your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over the squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to head over the account dashboard. Now, once we are here, we're going to select the website by clicking on Go to Website and wait for a few seconds until you're going to find this dashboard. From the left side of the screen, click on Websites, and then we're going to click on Pages. Now, the the easiest one or page to share and put links, or let's say here sharing buttons, is going to be the blog. Why? Because when you are going to visit up your blog post, you're going to find that you can go ahead and have the save pin or pin it. Also, you can go ahead and have the posts and everything is going to be fine. And for the, let's say, sharing, it is going to be very easy. You can see that the blog posts are going to be here on the social results, or you can go ahead and have the social sharing image. The feeds are going to be right there, and also you can go ahead and have them right away. And for the social sharing, it is going to be from the setting of the post. We can go ahead and click on the share, and then we can go ahead and connect our social media. So we can go ahead and connect our social media, so we can enable the push or pull data and allow visitors to connect with you via those services. So that was pretty much it for today's video. That is for the blog. Basically, if you're going to have something added into a, let's say here, a section or a standard section, let's name it right there, you can go ahead and add maybe a block. And here you can see that if you're going to have social links, you can go ahead and put social links like that. And it is going to only link to your social media accounts, not sharing buttons. So we can go ahead and have here something like a button, for example, to share it into right away or with the, let's say, social media right away. So we can configure a button and have it right away as a real button in here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.